Hey everyone, welcome back to Faizan Shah. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional AI-powered poster in Adobe Photoshop. Even if you've never designed before, don't worry, we'll build it together step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to use, where to get it, and how to make it look amazing. And yes, AI is going to save us a lot of time. No magic, just smart tools. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Photoshop and click New File. For a social media poster, use 1080 by 1350 pixels. Set the resolution to 300 ppi if you want professional quality. Color mode should be RGB. For social media, leave the background white for now. Great, our canvas is ready. Now let's collect everything we need. Download free high-quality images from Unsplash or Pexels. Need icons? Use Flaticon. Beautiful fonts? Grab them from Google Fonts. AI-generated images can come from your favorite AI image generator. Half the design battle is finding great assets. Drag your image into Photoshop. Click Remove Background in the Properties panel. Done! Photoshop's AI cuts the subject in seconds. If needed, clean the edges with Select and Mask. Imagine doing this manually. We'd still be working tomorrow. AI wins again. Now let's create a stunning background. Use Photoshop's Generative Fill. Type something like modern futuristic blue abstract background. Photoshop creates multiple options instantly. Pick the one that matches your poster theme. It's like hiring an artist without the coffee breaks. Time for the headline. Use a bold font like Montserrat Extra Bold or Poppins Bold. Keep the title large so people can read it instant. Add a smaller subtitle underneath. Use only 2 fonts to keep everything clean. Simple designs usually look the most professional. Let's make everything pop. Add a soft shadow behind your subject. Use blue, white, and black for a modern look. Add a glow behind the main object for more depth. Keep enough spacing between every element. If everything screams for attention, nothing gets attention. Now inspect every corner carefully. Align everything using Photoshop guides. Increase contrast slightly with Camera Raw filter. Sharpen your subject just a little. Make sure no text is touching the edges. Now it looks premium. Click File, Export, Export As. Save it as PNG for the best quality. For Instagram, keep the size at 1080 by 1350 pixels. For printing, export at 300 ppi. Always preview your poster before sharing. Congratulations, you've made a professional AI poster. AI and Photoshop together make designing faster and easier. Practice this workflow a few times and your posters will improve quickly. Your friends might even ask, "Did you hire a designer?" Nope, you just learned the right process. If this video helped you, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Faizan Shah for more AI graphic design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.